And that is the stat line of the third set picked up by UST. Where did they do so much better, Moses?
Well, definitely attack points now are better, is better now for UST. 12-7 ang naging atake dun sa third set natin. Block points, napatayan na ng Ateneo. Pero aces yan. At least yung UST had one and Ateneo only having two. Yung errors na Ateneo, doon nagkaroon ng diferensya. At kuntik pa eh. Humabol pa sila. They were very patient. They were able to string a point in the latter portion of that third set. At buti na ng EJ Laure on that open hit, closed it out. Kundi, di ba? Nagtuloy yung momentum ng Ateneo. Tuloy-tuloy yun. Ilang puntos yun na sunod-sunod.
Well, this Ateneo team, you know, they could chase you at 24-20. They've done it before. But USD, I like the fact that their confidence increased even from the second set, which they actually led mostly.
That's true. And yung second set na yan, naging crucial yan going into the third set because it can go either way. One, it can go na parang na-frustrate sila masyado na hindi na nila mabalik yung laro nila. Or two, naging encouraging yung second set na yun na ituloy nila yung momentum nila. And yun na nga nangyari. Mas maganda yung letter B. Kumbaga second choice natin at naimanalo nila yung third set.
Ateneo is going to try a new face on the floor. This is Madeline Madayag.
Si Maddie Madayag. Galing din Davao si Maddie.
No, season training, matangkad ano. Usually ang matatangkad, hirap. Alam mo naman yung game natin, kailan down ka most of the time.
Yes.
Hirap ba ituro yan? Is that always a stumbling block?
Well, it's more yung effort on the part of the player. So, kailangan may sipag, di ba? Na lagi kang nasa tamang posisyon when it comes to defense. Oh, good save from UST.
Saka, total, very young pa itong mga athletes na ito. Malleable pa ito.
Sipag yun eh. Parang depensa sa basketball, di ba? Kailangan, conscious ka, di ba?
Saka ito, lalo na ito, may instantaneous shifting from defense to offense kaagad, ha?
Sa volleyball kasi pag maganda yung position mo, mas madali talagang mag-receive ng bola pag nasa tamang position.
Nice shot by Tunay! Tunay yun!
Marcela Tunay breaks so well in this game.
Well, she was a source of points. In sets 2 and 3. Glad you're with us this afternoon. Kasi po tayo mga kanina. Live po tayo from the San Juan Arena as we start our college tournament for the Shakey's V-League College Conference, as we like to call it. Tan in a tight spot, pushed over by Maraguinot. Laude, cross-court long.
Not enough flicking of the wrist. So far, ito si Tunay, kanina na pag-usapan natin, 11 points na. Laure has 9. Last Simosa has 12. On the other side, it's Maraguinot with 14. Ahomira and De Leon, 9 apiece.
For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shaky. Down the middle.
Yun naman, bumawi agad si Jay Laure of that last night.
Laure also got some exposures and training as a member of the Under-23 team in the last tournament. That was a vital tournament.
Yes,
really.
that's right. Ang saya ng tournament.
Yes, I was so glad to be invited to host the fellowship tonight. It was fun. Oh, Lady Eagles. Something's wrong in the list.
Yung pa rin, yung pure defense nila. Yung problema since the second set.
Boy, this is a new generation of the Naya team, you know? Wala na yung ibang familiar faces. In the air it goes. Nice shot by Maraguinot, but it's out and away. UST's defense, that's the thing that has improved remarkably here in the second, third, and now the fourth set. Watch this again.
Exactly. And their defense translated to offense for them. That's why they were able to win that third set.
And in the meantime, the Tigresses rather in the lead 4-3. Lady na Tigres pa.
Girl na girl.
Girl na girl. In the meantime, Laura sprawled on the yun mo, si classic. Yung sine-explain mo, if you're in position, that time Laura was out of position. Watch this, ha? As you take a look, ultra fast spike, ultra fast LT for a happy family. Yun, ha? Nabasa ni De Leon, layo mo, ha? Tablang sa 4. It's a set by Ella. Amy fires.
At si Amy, open hitter na.
Dati niyang position, ano? Dati niyang utility position. Back row.
A great save from Ella.
Ella. Wala na out of reach.
Hirap din for Rizal. Medyo malayo siya for that second ball.
The discipline of Ateneo, brilliant. Their view is second ball tosser. Turned out bad for them in that situation because Giselle, as you pointed out, had to track that ball. Although Sato could have approached it. But,
Ang bilis ng speed
Oo,
ng bola.
too fast for their own size yun. 5-4, lamang ang UST. Nice quick.
Oh,
Binuhay.
si Mela has been digging a lot of hits from Ateneo.
Last mo. Carmela. Sa kabilang panig. Ito ang longest rally. Tinusok niya Humiro.
And Ahomiro with an angle.
Just relieved that that point went their way. Watch this.
Patience ang nangyari dito sa last point na to. And finally, Ahomiro.
Taxi driver din ito. So, hindi ka rin lumaan eh.
Oh, yun na, minsan maganda lang spot na yun sa in between two defenders.
Oo, si Eliza hilig magpadaan dyan. Satol. Ahumiro, 2 in a row.
And Ahomiro, kahit inipat ko sa gitna, ngayon open hitter, hindi man nila nag-adjust and challenge the blockers. As you can see this, getting it through the two blockers of
Oo,
UST.
doon na naman, the taxi driver route. Ma'am, dito na po ako dadaan, kasi matraffic doon sa ano eh.
Shortcut.
6'5". Pamlas Timosa will get this one. Yes. One more.
Ayun na naman yung pantay sa depensa ng Ateneo kay Pam Lastimosa.
Si Pam na naman ang target, ano? Kasi bukang-buka eh. Kita-kita siya eh, no?
Oo, mukhang ipapahinga muna si team captain.
Doon naman sa sitwasyon na hirap siguro siya kasi committed na siya doon sa open, hindi niya mailipat sa kabila. Ando naman si Francisco. Okay, yun yung sinasabi mo si Tiwala eh. Tsaka yung basa. Bea de Leon, who by the way started to make her mark in this tournament last year.
Boy, the poor first ball.
8-5. Ateneo is first at the technical timeout mark. You should try to listen in. When we're done listening, we'll listen to Rina Villamor. But first, let's go into the huddles.
Puro tayo, ilang bola tinatapon mo? Di ba tayo tapos? Nakakuha nga tayo ng isa eh. Bibilangan ba natin ng ganyang kadali? First ball lang, first ball. Patakayin mo si Mila dito. Marap ka, di ba? Patakayin mo na dito. Kaya, 3R ka na lang, 3R. Takbuhan mo doon. Alam mo na kung 3R. Hindi ko po.
Okay.
Ready kayo sa ano?
But pursue this hard work. He's going, huh? He's got I'm so focused. I saw that. Nice
You get the feeling that Amy Ahumiro is still on vacation mode, ano? Parang, this is so hard! This is so hard! Oh, I'm working so hard! Rina, punta tayo sa'yo.
Inside the court at yung teamwork nila. Sabi nga dito ni Coach Parley Tupas, ang naging biggest fault daw nila yung binigyan nila ng kumpiyansa dito na maglaro ang UST Lady Tigers. But all is done, it's time to move on, start strong again dito sa ating fourth set. At the sidelines naman nakakatawang panoorin ito ang team captain nilang si Eliza Valdez. Napaka-supportive, tagabigay ng chocolate, tagabigay ng towel, tagaay sa kanyang mga teammates. At the same time, sinabihan din nila ito or sinabihan niya ito na they have to improve on their pattern of defense. Kung ano yung pinapakita nila sa ensayo, ilabas nila sa larong ito and enjoy this ball game. No pressure. Just enjoy. 7, Mozzie.
Mausiwan lang kita. May chocolate daw pinamimigay doon sa Ateneo.
Oo nga eh. Teka, pakikuha na rin ako.
Tatayo ako. May bigaya daw ng chocolate. Samantala, 9 points ko.
Asma with a save.
Hindi, kukuha kita. Pero, ayun na. Point for UST.
Right, Sato. Tumama sa late na yan. So, went out.
I think Rina will confirm that sometimes teams use bananas, an energy drink, for boost, ano? Golfers use bananas. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's Village. Pero yung chocolate,
Sugar rush yan eh.
Ano kaya yung chocolate?
Chocolate, di ba? Sugar rush.
Meneses, hello! Kung babalik.
Hindi pwede. Pag nandun si Riri. Pia Meneses.
Sabi ni Meneses, kung babalik.
Sabi niya, nasa si Ella. Magpalapit kay Ella.
Best friend niya yan doon sa national team. Sila yata roommate, hindi ako sure. Pero sila yung medyo
Yun ang maganda na you get to meet other players and you get to be close to them.
But yeah, getting a point of your bite. Alam mo, tama yun na yung dati kalaban mo lang, and then yung...
Pero Shugi, parang nagkakaroon ng relationship bigla. Diba?
On the sport, alam mo po, ang secret po ng success ng volleyball is relationships eh. Kayo, nandyan, nanonood sa atin, may laro, yung mga players. Dizon.
Oh, Dizon with enough power.
Uy, mukhang
Yes, that boy.
Mukhang diba to, ha? Mukhang diba to, ha?
Natuwa si Coach Kung po doon, napaklap si Coach Kung.
Oo, diba? Ang dating eh, no? Walk away with ano, iba yan. Samantala, ayan. Number 12. Si Dizon ang mag-serve.
Ang lakas ng, nakita mo, ang lakas ng braso. Kapatid.
Oo.
Kailangan ka adjusted. Manlilipad yung
Oo, parang ano mo, si ano, parang si Honey Rose Divino.
Oo,
Yun.
exact.
Who will play for FEU as guest player. We'll see her in a while. Oh, that's down and out. Ateneo by 2.
Maraginot once again from the back row. Ito pa isang malakas ang braso. She doesn't look it. Diba? Slim eh. Pero ang lakas pumalo.
Tingin ko rito may puno sa bahay ito. Tinatadyakan at binabato ka na araw-araw na hindi naman nalalaglag ito.
Patuhan talaga.
Oo. Tinaas ni Madayag. Quick ba? Hindi. Pinaluan ni Maraginat. Huwag kayong pupunta rito at huwag kayong babangga rito, nakakatakot.
So ngayon naman ito, floor defense naman ng UST ang sinusubukan ng Ateneo.
Ang ginagawa kasi natin na yun, naghahanap ng butas sa floor. Pagkagulo kayo dyan.
Pinapahabol.
Oo, pinapahabol. Tinaas ang bola. Lauren. Straight but cut. Ayan lang, what a job as libero today for Ateneo. But
Sumabit.
sumabit.
Ang babae, on her way down. Sumabit. Trying to go for a 1,000.
Ayan kasi si tough jobs. She do the hard jobs. Diba? The UAP 2 years ago, she decided, I'll block you guys. Diba? Ang late-late na yun, bablock niya yung mga malalaking tao. Nice. Nicely done. Huh? That's down.
Poor coverage on the side of UST. Napaksakan lang ng bola after the block.
May future itong Maraginat eh. Ganda ng...
Ay, oo.
Yung ano yung swing, ang ganda eh. Makakita pa siya ng yung kanyang partner na seven, and that could be Gia or Giselle Tan. Oh, that was awkward, but they managed to crawl it over. That's gone. They were so disassembled defensively.
And Ateneo getting another point. Napakasimple ng off speed, but USD.
Aksidente nga
Oo.
eh. Makinig tayo sa USD.
Pinaghihirapan natin kumuha ng putok, pero ito, hindi naman ang ginagawa mo. Nagbigay na instruction, George, ba't ganun dadalhin sa libero? Hindi sana, nag-hardball na lang tayo, di ba? Ito nga eh, receiver natin. Kaya ano bang gusto na, ba't natin nililin mo doon? Lakas-lakas ng spiker natin, Sarah, di natin ma-utilize. Ha? Ayun, pagbalik, isang receive na maayos. Balikan mo lang ng play 1. Doon na lang kasi hindi.
Buhay ng seven.
Ay, naku. Sinabi mo pa.
Buhay ng seven. center po ang pinagagalitan.